Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp business account. First thing that you need to do is go to your app store or any downloading application that you're using. Once you're already on App Store, just search for WhatsApp for Business. Make sure that what you're going to install is WhatsApp Business. Just going to install that. Once it's successfully installed, open the app. In here, you may read the terms and conditions and just press agree and continue. Now, in my case, I already have regular WhatsApp, so I'll be using the same phone number I'm using for that. So we're just transferring all of our details from regular WhatsApp to our WhatsApp for Business. So it's just connecting and transferring right now. Once it's already loaded, then you can put your business profile. In here, you'll put your business name. If you don't have one, you can just put your first and last name. And you can also put your business category in here. In my case, I'll just put other business. But of course, you can choose various of options in here. So I'll go ahead and tap next. So here you would be able to explore the WhatsApp for Business for more informations, but in my case, I'll just press not now because I can explore WhatsApp for Business later on. So as you can see in here, all of my contacts from WhatsApp, the regular WhatsApp, was transferred to my WhatsApp for Business. And that's basically how to create WhatsApp business account. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.